Maya was walking in her garden, planting some new rose bushes when her 8-year-old son came up to her with a worried look on his face. Mom, my teacher said that we are losing soil and it's bad for the earth. Is that true? Maya put down her gardening tools and wiped the sweat off her brow. You're right, soil loss and degradation is a serious problem. But the good news is people around the world are working hard to raise awareness about this issue. World Soil Day is held annually on December 5th to highlight the importance of soil and advocate for its sustainable management. It was established in 2002 by the International Union of Soil Sciences to celebrate the importance of soil as a critical component of the natural environment and as a vital contributor to human well-being. Soil is the foundation for food, water, and energy security. It provides nutrients, water, oxygen, and physical support for plant growth. However, soil loss and degradation have been accelerating due to agricultural intensification, deforestation, droughts, and floods. According to the UN, 2 to 5 million hectares of farmland are lost every year due to severe erosion and other forms of soil degradation. If this continues, the world may face a severe food crisis. To curb soil loss, many farmers around the world have adopted sustainable land management practices. Techniques like crop rotation, cover cropping, conservation tillage, and agroforestry help keep the soil fertile and productive. In urban areas, community gardens and green infrastructure projects are helping to prevent soil seeding and revitalize damaged soil. On World Soil Day, people organize festivals, workshops, lectures, and hands-on activities to educate others about the importance of soil health. Students plant trees, build compost bins, and conduct experiments to learn how different factors affect soil quality. Policymakers announce new initiatives and fund programs to advance sustainable soil management and restore degraded land. While soil degradation is an urgent problem, World Soil Day highlights the steps individuals and communities can take to protect the soil and make it sustainable for future generations. Together, we can all appreciate the vital role soil plays in sustaining life on Earth. December 5th is World Soil Day. Here is a painting with all your pastors for this special day, and have a wonderful World Soil Day. Cheers!